In today's episode, we're going to be filming a brilliant desert sunrise. Well, the colors of sunrise are hitting the clouds now. Morning. It was you still hear the wind going, pretty rough night. I'll describe in a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna angle my camera over here so you can capture that color in the sky as it appears over this mountain. Well, it did not take me long to change my plans. The brilliant colors of the rising sun on the clouds told me that this morning's photo will be to the east. Of course, I was not going to let these colors pass by my original photographic target. I am bracketing these images. Since I do not have a set of filters to use, I want to make sure that I can capture the full dynamic range of these colors for editing when I get home. Well, I had a bit of a rough night last night. The wind was howling so badly that the tent was shaking. I had to take the rain fly off just so the wind could pass through the tent and stop so it wouldn't shake so badly so I can get some sleep. Then I woke up with a flashlight in my eyes, and well, it was the flashlight, it was the moon. The clouds finally cleared out. So, didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night, but it was worth it to come down here and be able to spend the night down in this incredible place. And hopefully those sunrise pictures that I just captured are going to be worth it. But I think that might be it for sunrise, to be honest with you. I'm just kind of watching the clouds. There's some color, but the brilliance of them, the brilliance of that morning light seems to have faded. We'll see though. I'm going to keep the camera gear out while I make some breakfast. Everything, and I mean everything, is covered in a fine dust. It's going to take a lot of work to clean all of my gear up after this trip. The next time that you ask for a window seat at a restaurant so you can enjoy the view, take a look at my view for breakfast. This is without a doubt the best wilderness campsite that I've ever had. I'll be marking it in this week's Locations newsletter, available to my camera crew and expedition team on patreon.com/EWJ. Before leaving, I just needed some quiet time to enjoy my surroundings. With the busy life I have waiting for me in Arizona, I do not know when I'll be able to enjoy a place like this again. When the wind's not blowing, I can hear there's a pair of campers over there on that bank around the curve. I can hear them talking. And I also know that right across the river over there is another pair of hikers camping out. I do not mind sleeping in a tent, but Deb and I have been talking about getting a teardrop camper to tow behind the Jeep, or an RV that we can tow the Jeep with. Hopefully, that will open the door to many more adventures I can take all of you with us on. Starting our way out,
I decided to do a little bit more exploring and also take some more time to enjoy this beautiful place.
Well, it's time to leave this beautiful area. I wish I could stay longer, but we got to get going. The problem is, I got to drive up that thing out there, and I'm more nervous about going up it than I was coming down. If you missed the coming down part, you might want to check out yesterday's episode. I had the drone filming the entire thing.
This adventure will continue. I am still a long ways from home, so remember to subscribe to my channel and become a member of the EWJ family at patreon.com/EWJ. Also, please consider opening your hearts and homes to a shelter animal in need, and if you can't, please consider donating to your local animal shelter. I am going to enjoy this drive up the canyon walls. I will see you all next week when this adventure continues.